I didn't see it do it.
Seagull. Get back.
Okay. He wants you to watch the seagull as it comes back. It's going to swoop back around. Okay, here it comes. Here it comes. Here it comes. I still can't get it on video.
I ran out of breath.
If he comes back around. Oh, I got my finger in the way. Okay, here comes the seagull. Whoa!
Whoa.
It's behind.
What's going on with the
Wait, let
seagull?
me.
What is going on?
Okay, I'm gonna get back a little bit. I'll get back and see if I can get it.
Whoa.
You throw it in the air and the seagulls are catching it. Oh my!
Oh my God. Whoop.
Oh, sorry.
I was trying to feed the seagull.
Don't run.
Okay.
I gotta feed the seagull next.
Ah, they did.
Oh, that seagull missed it.
See if Robert can do it again.
Oh, he almost got it.
Oh my. Yeah, I can't.